Being a business mentor, I've seen it all. I've seen people stay at a spot in their business for years. Why? Because they do not have someone that will help them, that will take them by the hand. I see people trying to do it on their own, and at the end of it all, you see that they tend to burn out. Why? Because they don't have somebody they can lean their head on, their shoulder. Now, a business mentor is somebody that believes in you and is going to guide you through the journey and try as much as possible to ensure that you become the best version of yourself in your business. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chasey Collins. If you're new here, you are warmly welcome. You are the one I've been waiting for. Please do well to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be getting notifications when we upload a new video. Okay, today I'm going to be sharing one of the things that have kept me going in business that is missing in the lives of lots of young business owners. This is what has really kept our fathers going in business. You see business thriving down to the fourth generation. You see business thriving down to the sixth generation. Why? Because the foundation was set on mentorship. Business mentorship. The insight I'm going to be sharing with you today is called business mentorship, or you can also refer it as apprenticeship. Now, in this recent time, we in our generation, we do not see the importance of apprenticeship. We do not see the importance of having a business mentor. You feel like, oh, I can do it on my own. And that is why young business owners are not thriving in their businesses. You see somebody starting up a business today, and then after like 3 months or 6 months, the person is being shaken, of course, like by business waves. And then the next thing, the person is opting out of that business. Oh, I don't think this is the right business for me. I don't think I can do this anymore. I have to go into something else. You see somebody doing well that just needs somebody that can help him hold your hand and work with you. The importance of business mentorship cannot be overemphasized. It has helped me and is still helping millions of business owners even at this time. Our forefathers, they thrived in their business because most of them, before they started their business, they went into what we call apprenticeship. Back in the days, you see someone that wants to go into selling or reselling electrical appliances. What will be the first thing that he or she would think of? Oh, okay, I think I should look for somebody that is already in the business and is doing perfectly well, and submit under that person. Yes. And then the person goes, sign in, and stays for 6 to 7 years serving this person. And after the long run, the person can independently chest the business, chest anything that comes with it, the troubles, the issues, the wave, the success, the failure, the success, and everything that comes with it. There is no how you have a mentor and you will still be struggling. In this video, we are going to be listening at benefits of having a business mentor. Please, you do not want to miss this. Stay tuned and do not touch it down. The first benefit of having a business mentor is a mentor helps you to grow faster in your business. What will take you 3 months to 6 months to achieve, having a mentor will help reduce the time and help you achieve it faster. That is because him or her has passed through that stage and they know the shorter cut. A mentor is going to open your eyes to more opportunities, open your eyes to shortcuts that you on your own you wouldn't see. I am an advocate of having a good mentor. Number 2, accountability partner. Having a mentor, a business mentor, is like having a gym buddy. One thing you should know is this: motivation fades away, and that is the truth. Honestly, it does fade away. So you feel you can do it on your own and you're thriving. 1 month you're in the game, 2 months, 3 months. Let's just be honest with ourselves. The rate at which you started your business in 1 month, the first month, you see that if you started with 10/10 energy, after like a month, it starts reducing. By 2 months, you should be like 7.5/10. Okay, by 3 months, you'll be like 5/10. And that is how it is. Motivation fades away. But then what will a business mentor do for you? A business mentor will be there to check in. Oh, how is it going? How is your business thriving? Do you have any challenges? Oh, I can help you. Is there something you want me to help you with? Oh, I would love to have a session with you. Write down your problems. I will be there to help you. This is what a business mentor does. Please stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you tips on how to get a good business mentor and how it has helped me. I'm going to be sharing my life experience on how business mentor has helped me even up till today, and how you can find a good mentor. A mentor is someone that is going to keep you accountable to your success. He or she wants you to thrive, because in that your success story, he or she will appear. Okay, so in as much as he or she wants you to do so well and achieve a better result, you have to also encourage them by doing the assignment and doing the things that they ask you to do. A mentor is someone that is going to call you over the phone and check on you. How is your business going? Is there any challenges? Okay, you can share that with me. Drop me a voice message. I'm going to reply you after I am done with the day's job. That is what a mentor is. An accountability partner. You cannot go far by walking alone. You cannot go far by walking alone. You need somebody to lean on his or her shoulder. You need somebody that will hold you by the hand and take you through the storms of business, and take you through the storms and the waves that shake people in their business. I am telling you from experience, you need that. And yeah, I'm going to be sharing with you the tips on how to get a good business partner. I'll share with you my life experience, and also how to locate, or how to pinpoint, or how to get a good business mentor. Before we dive into how to find a good mentor, the last benefit I'm going to share today is building confidence. Your mentor is going to help you build confidence. Oh yes, he or she is going to remind you why you started your business, your purpose why you started your business. When you feel like, oh, I'm fainting, oh, I can't do it, he or she is going to help you, remind you how you started, the things that you have achieved. Because sometimes we are blinded with our progress. We feel like we're not doing anything. We're not even scaling high. But we forget that we are not where we used to be. We are like in our answered prayer. We are living our answered prayer. So that mentor is going to help you and going to remind you of your purpose by which you started your business, and make sure that you see to it and you stand up again. You brazen up and you go and get the money. I'm going to be sharing my personal experience just before I talk about how to get a good business mentor. Okay, so back in the years, I think that should be year 2020 or 2021, I was a braider then, but I wanted to expand my business. I wanted to do something else from hair, so I thought of starting up a hair business, being a hair vendor, and that bettered Chelsea Glam Hair. So I told my sister, oh, my big sis, I want to start selling hair. Do you know anyone that is in the business that can mentor me? And she said, yes, I know somebody. She now directed me to Mrs. Afulike. She has been my encourager. She helped me from the scratch. I knew nothing about her business, and she took me as her own sister and helped me throughout the journey. Everything I know about business, I give her accolades to that. Everything I know about business, she taught me, apart from the ones I later researched on my own. But she gave me the basic foundation about her business. I'm a nurse. While I was in school, I knew some of my colleagues, even my senior colleagues, that entered into the business because they had the money. They entered into the business. They even went straight to buying from Vietnam directly because they had the money. But to be honest, they did not last. I know one that did not even last up to 1 year. She failed, her business failed. She had to leave everything. She had losses in her business. And what did she do? She had to just leave everything. I feel it's because of she did not have a business mentor. Because the truth of the matter is, no business is rosy. Is not rosy. I told you earlier that the motivation by which you started your business is just per month. So a business mentor is going to help you become accountable to your goals and your visions. How do I get a business mentor? Search your competitors. Okay, so anybody that is in the same business with you is your competitor. Healthy competition. Okay, so if you want to have an online business mentor, what you can do is go online to every social media platform and look out for people that have been in the business before you, people that are doing well, people that your spirit resonates with, people that your spirit feels safe with. Okay, list out 10 persons you feel you should talk to that you want to start your business. That's if you want to have an online business mentor. I had an online business mentor. I visited her only once. Okay, so list out 10 persons you feel you can do well with, or you feel that can teach you, and send them a DM. Message them by telling them that you want a business mentor, someone that can help you. You are new in this business, you want to start up this business, and you need someone that can hold you by the hand and help you. By messaging 10 persons, at least one person will consent to it. If none of them agree to, to help out, message another 10. That is how to be dogged, getting whatsoever you want to have in your business. If you need an offline business mentor, what you can do is go to the biggest market, wherever. Go to the biggest market you find in your locality or in the state, and go for survey. And when you go there, you're visiting different shops. You walk into a shop, you just try and price anything. Let me say you want to start a perfume business. You walk into the shop and you be like, oh, how much is this? How much is this? How much is this? Okay. You can even go to the extent of buying something if need be. Okay. You get something, you go to the next shop, just bring out that whole day for surveying. Let's say you're going to be visiting 20 shops that sell the same thing, that are going to give you at a fair price. Okay, now after visiting the 20 shops, in the 20 shops, look out for vendors that are calm and that can give you listening ear. So whoever you enter his or her shop, talk to the person. Oh, just act like a customer. Try to ask some questions, and then when you feel like this person is patient enough to answer all my questions, I feel that is the right time to tell the person, oh, I also want to start this business and I'm looking for who I can be getting my product from and that can help me in the journey. Okay, if he or she agrees to it, good and fine. Exchange contacts. At the end of the day, try it as much as possible to get 3 to 5 contacts. 3 to 5 contacts, people that can mentor you in the business. Okay, so after you've gotten those 3 to 5 contacts, you chat each and every one of them at the end of the day. Tell them, please save my contact. I will also review your status. I also want to, have you. I also want to be among your tribe of downshippers, and all of that. So after you have spoken with them, then at that time you have gotten a mentor. Congratulations that you have gotten a mentor. I hope this video was able to help somebody. I encourage you that having a business mentor is one of the things that can keep you going in your business at the long run and keep your business a sustainable one. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Do well to like, subscribe, and share. Bye. See you next time. Mwah.